Help support us by supporting our Patreon. We have two tiers. The supporter tier, which basically lets you get access to some of our smaller posts and projects, and the pro tier, which gives you access to our larger posts and projects, and your bot will also be overviewed on our channel.
Hello guys, today we'll be creating a ModMail bot. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna make it easy and simple and will not add any database for now. I will add database if you comment me down and like this video. If I got pretty much more than 50 likes, I will sure upload second video and will add database in it. So first of all, let's get started with our scratch work. Create a folder, simple, name it ModMail. Okay, I named it, open it. Okay, fine. Now open command prompt. I guess it's fine. Now locate your folder. I guess first of all we should desktop. So you can see I located desktop. Now ModMail. ModMail. Here we go. Now we have to make package.json file. So just use npm initiate y. Let's see. Here we go. We are done with package.json. Now make sure you install discord.js package. npm I discord.js. Okay, it's installing. While it's installing, I want to tell you guys that I have Patreon, so you can join me there. That's all. If you want, please join it. It will be very helpful to me. However, if you don't want, then it will be a different story. What's taking long in it? I guess it's done. Now close it. Okay guys, I will be using Visual Studio Code. You can use any editor you want, Atom, Glitch, etc, etc, etc. Open your folder. I will be opening the folder that I just created. Of course, you need to pin that folder. Here we are, package.json, package.log.json. Now create a main file which will be index.js. Here we have our main file. Yeah, okay. Now create configuration file. You can name it config, setting, etc. But I will name it config.json. A file or folder can already access the functional location. What the heck is this? When I created this? This is my mistake. It should be config.json. Here I created it. These are the files: config.json, index.json. In config.json we will be adding our configuration elements like token. Here will be our token. Now after that, prefix. The prefix will be question mark. It's a common prefix. Now server ID. This thing will be needed in future. I can make it anything, but I won't do it. Okay, token prefix. Let's grab token first from Discord developer portal. Discord, oops, Discord developer application. A mistake. Application. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one will be all right for testing. Copy token, go back to Visual Studio, paste the token here. We are done with configuration. Get back to the main file and start with normal template. Const discard equals to require discard .js. Const client equals to new discard client. Now ready event client dot on ready, then something is not good here. Client on okay, fine. Console, oh my god, caps lock. Console.log. I am ready. I should make it like in its border is ready. It will send something good in console. I guess I am ready to receive and send mails. Yeah, it sounds good. Now fine. Now you will set what status. Client to what status you need to use client.user.set activity, and here will be our status. Watching my DM. Yeah. Now client dot login. Now we have to export our token prefix and server ID, which we will be using in future. Const token prefix and server ID. Require, and here location of file config.json. Fine. Now add token here and save all, and use Ctrl J to open your recent terminal. Note index.js. Let's see. Okay, a very fine success message. I'll go to Discord developer, no, Discord server. See, connecting. Okay, here we are. Where's my testing server? Yeah, here it is. You see, it's showing it is online and showing status. Going again, watching my game. Very fine and perfect. So let's just turn off the bot. If you don't know how to turn off the bot, then you should use Ctrl C to turn off it. No need to thank me for this information. It's my pleasure to do this, to tell you this. Now we will add client on message. It's a message event, and now we will add if message dot content double equals to ping. We will be using prefix here, prefix plus ping, return message channel dot send pong. Client dot ws oops and ws dot ping. Okay, our ping command is done. Now save all changes, open recent terminal, load the bot again. Yes, then retweet again, success message, go to your server and give prefix and ping. Okay, it worked. You can see it worked. Now we can go to our main part, ModMail part. Our basic things are done, so let's get back. Turn out bot and remove this. No need of ping command for now. Okay, so first of all we will make sure bot won't reply to its own, it won't reply to its own message. So we're gonna add message.author.bot. It means if author was bot, then return nothing. Yep, do not return anything. Now let args equals to message.content slice, and here the prefix dot length. Add, now time to select, split, and here we define now command equals to args dot shift dot to lower case, and it's done. Now if command is used in guild, then this statement will start. So if command equals to double equals to stop. Well, I should make command, I should make open command first. It will open the ticket first. You won't understand now, but you will be soon. I guess first I should make set a command first, which will automatically set everything in the server related to ModMail. So let's get started. Create setup. Okay. If command name is equals to setup, then it will execute this command. Now make sure command executor have permission to use this command. So we will add message dot member dot has permission administrator. Okay. Now return message dot channel dot send. We will send you need admin permissions to set up the ModMail system. Simple and easy return message. So after that we gonna to define the rule. Yeah, of course, everyone who is involved in ModMail moderation, they should have supporter role, otherwise they won't be able to use this command and reply to the mail messages. So let role is equals to message dot killed dot roles dot cache dot find rex x dot name double kills to let name that role supporter capital. Okay, now let one more role, let everyone, we gonna be editing everyone role also. Message dot killed dot roles dot cache dot find and x dot name we have to add this thing because everyone will have this thing. At the rate, you can just only write everyone, you need to add this, otherwise you won't be able to find everyone role in the killed. I hope it will be helpful for you. Now let's make a statement if role is not exist in the server. Okay, we will use logical operators. Role, if role is not in the server, then redefine the role by creating new role. Message dot killed dot roles dot create and data. in version 12, that's how you create a new role. There is difference in version 12 and version 11. Pretty much, I guess. There's many different things in 12 and 11. Anything I need color, we can let it red, blue, green, or anything. I will make it green. If you need to add, if you want or need to add reason, you can do this also. Row needed for ModMail system. Okay, we have created the row. Now let's create a category where all mails will be shown. So message dot, wait a minute. Okay, wait, message dot tilt dot channels dot cache dot, no need to use cache because we will be creating a new category. Name will be ModMail. I tell you guys again, it's a category, not a channel. We will be creating channel when someone DM the bot. Okay, type, as I said, it will be category. So here category and topic of this category. Alt main. Okay, it's mail. Mail will, again mistake, will be here. Now permission override. Yeah, and here is okay, and here ID. You can give a person ID or role ID here, but here we need to add the permission of role, so we can add role ID. Role ID. After that, we have to add I guess allow. What permission will be allowed here is view channel. Supporter can view channel and send channel, of course, send messages, and read message history. Yeah, read message history. Anything else? Okay, fine. Now time to edit everyone role in channel. ID. If you guys do not know that there is an ID of everyone role, well, I don't know about you, I never knew this. I never knew this, but now I know. It's very weird to know. Deny. Same permission here, but this time we are denying permission, not allowing. Return. Okay. Now we had created category role. Now return message. Send setup is completed. Our setup command is completed. It was not that hard. Okay, fine. I think we should test it before going to next step. Yeah, probably we should save this, Control J, and as you know, node index.js. Oops, there's something here. Await. Oh yeah, we cannot use await without a sync function. Async, Control save. Now open terminal again and use node index.js. Okay, a very cute success message. Okay. Okay, here. Now let's test it. I already have because I was testing yesterday about this. Yeah, I prepare everything. Okay, setup. I guess something is wrong here. What was the error? Unhandled promise cannot read property undefined index 47. Okay. Oops. That's weird. Totally weird. Did I did mistake in finding the row? Massive.guild.rules.cache.find the name. Oh yeah, I did really small mistake. Everyone house won't be total mess. Now let's open Zoom. If I think everything is okay, now just save all and Control C. Node index.js. Okay, let's test it. Yeah, setup is completed. Here is our category. Let's see categories, details. Everyone, read, send, read message history, find, support row, allowed, fine, I have supporter row. I should delete everything again and try again. Okay, rows, supporter, delete supporter delete catcher. Okay, now try again. Yeah, it's completed. Let's check again. Permissions. Okay. Well, our setup command is completed. Hooray! Now let's get back and create other commands. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, now we should create, I guess, what should we create next? I'm pretty confused about it. Mm, mm, mm. I think we should create uh what should I say about it? When someone DMs, what to create a channel, private channel for him or supporter. So we're not gonna use command for that, of course. So we will use, let me see, and for that we will be using opposite of the statement. I mean, we will use logical operator in it. Let me show you. Simply add else if message dot guild yeah, here we are. Now if message is sent in the TM, then const guild, we will instantly define our server client dot kills dot cache dot find no cache dot get, and here server ID, we will add server ID. Now define if kills not provided or not founded, then return nothing. Now define channel, we will make it like main. I will tell you why I'm defining it or consting it. Await killed dot channels dot cache dot point actually we will be naming mail channel as the ID of the mail opener. Means if I DM the bot, then bot will create a channel with name of my ID. Yeah. Now let's find the category where the bot will create the channel. Query equals to await killed channels cache find well, there's no really need to add a wait. I did my mistake. ModMail. Now if main is missing, it means undefined, then we will let create a channel with name of mine, with ID of mine. And also, yes, what was the legend? Oh yeah, create. Now type, if you don't define the type, then it will set as default type, which is text. Okay, category, topic, this mail is created for helping message dot author dot tag. In every mail channel we will add details of the author. This there's no need of this, I guess. It's fine. Okay. Now what we will do, we will send message in author DM and new created channel, which is MX. I define it as MX, a random name. So to make it look good, let's define embed. This goes to new discard dot message. One more thing, in version 12 this is rich embed, and in version 12 it is message embed. So there's a change in message and rich only, not big deal. Everything change, update their bot, it's very easy. Set author mail opened. This embed will be sent to author of the mail. Set color, we will be setting red and green colors. If error, then red, and if success, then green. It's a normal way and very cute way to set the colors of the strips of embed. Now thumbnail will be user.display avatar URL. Well, there's one more thing. In version 11 it's normal, and in version 12 it became function, so you have to add those two brackets here. You can also make a dynamic by adding dynamic equals to true if you want. Yep, I added it here, but there's no need to add this in bot. Set description will be like I'm saying conversation is now started. You will be contacted by supporter soon. Well, this is the end of first amendment. That was not hard. Now message dot author dot send amendment done. First, now time to define the second amendment. Let embed, and well, some new guys think that this let embed, you can't let it anything, but let is a variable, you can let any name you want anyway, but make sure the name which is here should be here also. I want to a very good explanation of it, because maybe it will make video very boring, because they are very good documents for these things. I'm not a master of JS, so I highly recommend to read docs. Well, fine. Set author details dot author dot display avatar URL. Now set color. Well, you can make it dynamic is equals to true. Now set color. The color will be blue. Now set, what's next? Set thumbnail, I guess. Message dot author dot display avatar URL. Same thing here, dynamic true. Okay, after that set description message content. Okay, we will be adding some additional things to let the supporter know about the ticket opener, sorry, mail opener. Name message dot author dot username, its username. Now write field again. Account creation date. Message dot author dot created add here now. And last thing is direct contact. I will tell you about what is direct contact in my case later. I will tell you about this later, is direct contact thing. So for now, just add no. It means this mail is opened by person, not a supporter. I'm sure now that you guys know what direct contact means. You can even open a mail by using command. I'll be creating it later. First, let's finish this shit. Return message dot channel dot send. Okay, EE and then down. Okay, it's done. Now, if this statement gone wrong, then this will happen. And what if this statement don't go wrong? Then we will do normal thing. Send mail message to channel which is already exist. So set color, which will be yellow this time. I hope there should be a rainbow thing. Yeah, it will be cute, rainbow color. Yeah, there should be one. That's pretty nice idea, I guess. Rainbow stripe in a band. Half message. Oops. Message dot author. Well, probably you guys thinking I typed too bad, but it's not my problem. My keyboard is like that. My finger just slip out of keyboard. I don't know why, but soon I will find you. Okay, set footer is done. Set description message dot content. Well, these images will look really good. Okay, so is it really needed to tick here? I mean, whenever someone DM it, it will react tick. So let him know that that message is sent. I think I should not do this, but okay, I will not edit. This will be fine. Okay, main dot send XML. Okay, so first thing to do, save. Now time to check if this mess will work or not. Open terminal. Well, I will open new terminal. Okay, node index.js. Okay, here is the bot. Here is the channel. Just DMA. Hi. Okay. Hi, bro. I need help with my bot. Can you help me, dude? Hmm. It did not work. There is no error. Oh, now I get it. That's simply that I did not add in my server ID here. So first of all, go to your server, main server, where you want to ModMail to set up. Copy the server ID. Yep. And now go back to Visual Studio Code and paste it. Save all. Restart the bot. Node index.js. Okay, upload success message. Go back. I will just copy this message. What the heck is this? It sended everything here, but this message should be sent in the channel. Let's check it out. What's the problem here? Let's see. May. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Should be mx.send. And it should be here. Oh, finally, God. Now save it and restart the bot. Node index.js. Oh, Jesus. Well. Now test again. Before testing, I'm sure that it created a channel. Yeah, delete it. For God's sake. Now let's try again. Same message again. Yeah, it worked. Conversation is now started. You will be contacted by supporters soon. Well, where the heck is? Yeah, here. You can see there is a channel with my ID. Details. Hi bro, I need help with my bot. Can you help me, dude? Yep. Name CTK Warrior. Account creation date. Tarry contact no. And I will have to give myself supporter role. Okay, it worked. Let's create other things. Now that we have created something and another thing, let's move to what should I say? As I already created author response from GM to channel, now it's time to create let the supporter send message to mail opener with mod. So for that we are going to check parent of the channel. So we will be checking guys channels parent how I define it. Parent, you can say parent are also known as channels category. Yeah, channels category. So I will be checking channels category, and if the category of the channel is equal to ModMail category, then boom, we will send all those responses to the DMs. So let's let's start it. If message.channel.parent id, here we will first check category equals to message dot killed dot members, I guess. Wait, it should be channels. Why the heck I'm getting members? Channels dot dash dot find. Well, I'm doing some mistake because I'm recording this video at late night, so that's why I'm doing some mistakes. Don't think I'm dumb. Well, you can think. Who can stop you from thinking? Now let's compare parent ID and message channel ID. Channel.id double equals to category.id. If this statement got true flag, then we gonna let a member, and if the member is undefined, then send message, then if let them embed, then send that embed. Well, I'm sure you didn't understand a thing, so let's do it practically. Let member equals to message dot members dot cache. I think message dot kill members dot members dot cache. Fine. Well, we don't need to find them. We can just use get and the channel name, message or channel dot name. Well, if you do not understand what I am doing, then I shall tell you that I'm letting member if channel message channel ID is equals to category ID, and here the category is the ModMail category. Okay, wait. Okay, well, I did a small mistake here. It should be message.channel dot parent ID. If message channel parent ID is equals to category ID, then we're gonna let member and find get it by its name. As I said, every mail channel name is based on a mail opener ID. So channel name is basically an ID. It's very easy to find whose mail is this and easily track him down. What if you're unable to find it? Then we're gonna simply return message channel send message unable to send message. Okay, now I'm gonna let embed goes to new discard dot message. Now I want to make it attractive, so I will do some cues here by just see it, man. Set footer message dot author dot name. I guess it's not name, it's username. Message dot author dot display URL. Make it dynamic equals to true. Footer is done. Now add description, in which we will add content of message. Okay, we are done. I'll return member dot send, and as I already defined it, the member which is here, all are done. Now it's time to test this mess. So save it, Control J, node, I guess. Yeah. Now I'll send message and we'll check if someone DMs me. Hey there, we do not need to use prefix here in this channel. In other words, probably you need to use prefix, but not this time. Blah blah. It did not work. Let me see. There's no error here. And this problem. I'm pretty confused now. Maybe I should check why like this. And nothing. Shift it here. Let's see now. Well, this thing came up. What about this? No, it's not. I have to see it again properly. Maybe this is happening because I used else here or what? I will just try. Maybe magic will happen. Note. It should not be here. No, still did not work. I guess I did something. Well, I'll try to make some changes here. Maybe it will work. Remove it from here. Let's remove else from here. Add this here. I hope it should work. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it worked. Thankfully it worked really. I guess I did something wrong in this. Let me check it. Well. Okay. I think I should not add else if here. Should make it like if. Otherwise it will go one by one. Never mind, it worked successfully. Time to add commands, rest commands. Okay, my first command was set up. Now let's create another command with name stop or close, you can say close. Now this command will close the mail and only supporter can close the mail. So first we'll check if the author have supporter role or not, and if not, then send message to him that you do not have permission to use this command. And after that we will close the ticket if everything, close the mail if everything goes right. So what should I say? Well, I wanna make sure that this command, close command, can only be used in ModMail categories channels. I mean channels which are ModMail categories. So for that, I will use if message dot channel dot parent id equals to, I'm gonna message dot guild dot channels dot cache dot find. Oh my god, I used, okay, x dot name double equals to ModMail mail dot id, then go next. Now let's make sure if person, the point is that we do not have to check if person have supporter role if we are checking already that this thing, you know, because if he cannot access the channel, how he would use close command? Oh, I'm sure you did not understand. Never mind. Let's get started. Well, we wanna find channel. Let's run message dot channel dot send. We will send that I'm unable to close this mail. This error is coming because you changed the name of the mail channel. Well, this will be fine. I'm closing unable to close the channel, and this error is coming because you probably changed the channel name. I should not add you. Probably channel name is changed. Okay, that's fine. Now we will get the person. Wait. I'm kinda pretty confused here. nothing, it's fine. Const, person is equals to message dot kill dot channels dot cache dot get find x dot. There's something I guess still wrong here. Why the heck I'm confused? I think this thing is not needed here. But there is this thing I needed. Okay, so message dot channel dot name return, and probably we're gonna find members, so we should add members here. And if you're unable to find this person, then definitely we should send message right there in front of author. Okay, now remove this line. There's no need to add this one. Okay, now simply delete the channel, await message dot channel dot delete, and let mail author know that we had closed his mail. So let y then I'm using every time, I'm using an embed every time I send message to author mail opener, because I want it to look amazing. Now set author, you can say that mail closed, then write client dot user dot avatar URL, client dot user or display avatar URL you can add. It will be okay to add avatar URL. There's nothing cute in dynamic avatar URL part. Now set color, we will be setting red because ticket is closed. Bam. Now set thumbnail after now after that set footer. We will write mail is closed by the name of author. Okay, here we are done with this one, I guess. Now if this is pretty cool thing to add, I guess, if author give reason of closing mail, then we will do this. y.embed set description arcs start shine done return person dot send y embed. Before checking it, I want to create one more command. Well, it will be open command. You can directly contact with anyone in your server by creating direct ModMail. Now you will know what is direct contact here. In my case, I don't know about the world, but in my ModMail bot, the direct contact means is different. So let's start. Else if wait a minute. Where is it? Okay, it's fine. Else if command double goes to open. Well, this command can be used anywhere. No. List const category equals to message dot guild dot channels dot cache dot find equal to x dot name ModMail let's see category return okay. Now send the message moderation system is not set it. Moderation system is not set in the server. Use prefix use setup use set well now I will check if author have supporter role or not. Guild dot member is on this. name. So for virtual you need to have logical operator not, and then return. If message author do not have supporter role, then return message that you need supporter role to use this command. Now we can be checking if given value is ID or not, because we will be opening direct mail by using ID of the person. So if as none cards 0, oh, where is that? Okay, now send. Please give the ID of the person. Okay, now let's define the target to who you want. We want to send TM. X.ID. Now, if you're unable to find our target, then return message. Return message dot channel send. Unable to find this person. Now let's move on and check. Create a new channel. Yes. If everything goes right and smooth, we're gonna create a new channel. Channel is equals to await message dot killed dot channels dot create message dot tools or channels dot create. Is something wrong? Oh yeah, spelling of await is wrong. Here will be the name, message, target dot ID. There we go. Type of the channel is equals to text. Parent, parent ID. Equals to category ID, category, and last topic mail is opened by you to make contact with message.author.tab. Once it's pretty much done. Now time to define some embeds. I first embed. Okay, let's let an embed start.message embed set author. Oops, what the heck? Okay, my mistake. Where were we? Yeah, here. Set author and the details. Details. This message will be sent in channel that just created by us by opening the mail. So target dot user dot display avatar URL. Make it dynamic. True. I am pretty much start of making embeds again. So I will simply copy the old one and here we need to change some things. It means this mail is opened by supporter. I guess I should fix this one also. Now change some things like message target dot user message.contains target dot user target dot user. Now let's now we are done with this. Send this to channel send and embed. Now define second embed. Let you embed embed new message embed. Okay, we're gonna set author. I'll copy this one also. Well, I do not want to waste time. Here, mail direct open. Direct Well, should be direct mail opened. Now, green client.user.display avatar URL, and you have been contacted by something like this. You have been contacted by supporter of message. Please wait until switch to you. Okay, so you're done here. Now send this one also to target. Send you embed. Okay, now let's define third embed. New message. Okay, set description. Open the mail. Okay, now set color. This is the success message when you use the open command. Well, it's now third embed is also done. We're gonna use return because it's last message. Channel dot send new embed. Now the open command is fully done. Save it and it's time to check it out. Okay, note, here we go. Now let's close it by using close command. Well, it's like seems like this. Use your dump. Okay, it worked. Let's see if I got. Oh yeah, it worked. Mail closed. Your dump. Oops. Mail is closed by CTK Warrior. I guess something is missing here. Yeah, where is the avatar URL? Well, we will check it. Now let's check it. Open command. Create. There's no. Copy the ID. Use open. Well, here is the problem. It created the channel here, but it should be in ModMail. Let's delete it and fix this. Now let's see. I'm sure I type it should not be parent ID here. It probably should parent. I did this mistake few days ago also, so I know exactly what was the problem here. Now let's get to second one. Close command, I guess. Where is close? Mail close client dot user.avatar URL. Yeah, here it should be display avatar URL. Okay, fine here. Okay, now save it and now start this. Let's see if it works or not. Well, it's old. This was previous one. So copy this one. You can see there's no ModMail yet. Yep, it worked. Open. You can see it's working fine. Check our DM. Yeah, there is DM also. Direct mail opened. You have been contacted by a supporter of Jack. Please wait until he sends you another message. My grammar is bad here, so you can edit by yourself. Now let's test close command. Okay, it worked. Now let's see our TM. Well, this also worked. Mail is closed by CTK warrior. Finally, we are done with 90% of ModMail bot. Now, there's something left here. Wanna know? Of course, you guys wanna know. So, before telling you the other thing, I wanna tell you guys that we have created setup command, which is very cute. Open command, close command, which only work in ModMail category, and the system which send message to channel, which is very cool. You know, if you have this bot in your server, then you are card, probably card of the server. So now the thing is, what if like this? Oops, I copied this. Oops, wrong one. What if wait a minute, creative channel here, this is creative, I got here. What if someone deleted it? What will happen then? Then we have a solution of it. So let's get started to this. This can be easily done by using message delete event. So go to up, create a new event. So use client dot on channel delete. Oops, it's delete. It's fine. And async, we're gonna use await. So async function is really important here. So now if channel dot parent id double equals to channel dot guide. Wait a minute, actually before going further I want to tell you guys that async is not really needed here. Log kill dot channels dot cache dot find x dot name double equals to ModMail dot id, then process. Okay, now let the const person equals to client dot killed dot members dot cache dot find x dot double equals to message dot channel dot name. As I said, the name of the channel is based on the ID of the mail opener, so we can easily track them down. Sounds crazy. Oh, this is the last thing of the whole video. So I'm very excited to see my complete bot. If you get any error in this bot, please tell me. I will fix it in new update. Well, I will probably create a new update on these codes, because I knew that you guys will hit more likes than I ever targeted. Now, as we had, now let's set author. Mail deleted client dot user dot display avatar URL. Set color. They should be red. Now set thumbnail. Client dot user dot display avatar URL. Now set description, and we will simply say that your mail is deleted by moderator, and if you have any problem with that, then you can contact that. I guess there's some problem. Open mail again by sending message error. Okay, done. Now send a return message. Oops. Return. Okay. Person dot send my mband. Well, this was the last line of the code. The whole code is ready. I mean bought. Save it. Control D. Note. Well, let's check it out. I'm gonna open. Bye. Hey dude, I am back. Mail open. Conversion. Well, it's worked very nicely, and as you can see, it works. I did. I do. Ew. Oh, let's see. It works again. How are you? Well, everything is going fine. Now just delete channel. Boom. Nothing happened. The heck? Nothing really happened. I guess there should be a problem. But again, oh, there is an error. Finally, an error arrived. Oh, yeah. It should be message. Sorry, my small mistake. Now this time was the last line of the code. Good. Now let's try to create the ticket again by using direct one. Well, it did not work. It was just a delay. Now it's time to close the ticket. Oh, gee, this worked this time. Well, still anything? Nothing? Shit. Again, problem. This last thing is really sucking my mind. Message is not defined. Oh yeah. If I cannot define message. I was totally forget that it's in. It should be channel.kill.members.cache.find. We save this. This time I'm sure it will work, and this is the last line of the code. Well, I'm keep saying this. Well, let's try. Okay. Opening ticket. It worked. Opening ticket is really working fine. Now time to delete. I hope this will still didn't work. I guess I did some mistake. Now what? Error I'm facing this time. Message is not defined. Oh man, again. I almost forget that I should check again this time. Everything is totally fine. This time I'm pretty sure it will work. 100% sure. And go. Pretty twist time, pretty fast work. Go to check. Open new ticket. I mean new mail server. Okay. Here. It's open. Now. Let's delete it. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, it worked. Finally, it worked. Damn it. It worked. Well, I guess everything worked fine properly. Then I guess this is the end of the video. But we cannot end this video without one thing. Last thing, you know? What is the last thing? It's help command. Yeah, people should know what can do. So let's create a last thing, which is help command. So let's get started. Return the bot, and as you can see, there are 3 commands. Okay, add else if command equals to help, and let embed message embed. Okay, embed equals to new message embed, set author, ModMail bot, client the user dot display default avatar, display avatar URL, set color. You can set any color you want here. There's none of my business. So set description. This part is made by some credits made by CTK Warrior. You can remove credits. Next. Yeah, no problem. Set color. Oops, I already did. Add fields. Open. Let you open the mail to contact anyone. Okay, I should add true. Add set set up the modem system. This is not for multiple server efforts, it's only for one server. And failed. Close. Close the mail in which we send this message. This command. Okay, there's some small thing. Okay, cut. Setup command should be okay. Prefix. Okay, now add true, true, and we return here. Add thumbnail also. Set thumbnail client user display avatar URL, and we are done with help command. Just return message dot channel dot send and bend. Control G. Node. Let's see the help command. Yep, the ModMail mode is made. Setup. Open, close. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. This video was much longer than any other video because the concept was pretty long. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then you can like the video. If you didn't like it, then you can dislike the video. And if you want to subscribe me, then you can do it because it's free. And I really appreciate if you join me on Patreon. All the links are in description. And if you want to suggest me anything about podcasts, whatever, you can join my server and just DM me. I'm always online. Don't tell me how, but I am online 24/7. So thank you and goodbye. See you. Be safe. Sayonara.